Now to the Supreme Court. It has been a law that has been on the books in New York since 1913. You have to show a need to qualify for a permit to carry a concealed weapon. But the nation's highest court today ruling New York doesn't have the right to automatically reject gun permits. Strong reaction from Mayor Adams and from Governor Hochul, who's promising new laws to try to restrict where someone can carry a concealed weapon. The 6 conservative justices voted to strike down the law. The 3 liberal justices wanted to keep it. This ruling also affecting several other states with similar laws, including New Jersey, California, Massachusetts, Maryland, and Hawaii. Today's decision comes at a time when New York City and communities across the country are facing a surge of gun violence. It is a huge and hugely controversial decision. We're going to begin with Eyewitness News reporter N.J. Burkett. He's live at City Hall for us. Newt.
And that's right, Bill. At a time when New York City is struggling with an onslaught of gun violence, the U.S. Supreme Court has handed down a decision that will make it possible for just about anybody to carry a concealed handgun in public, even here on the streets of New York City. So yes, the impact will be far-reaching.
It endangers our future.
Mayor Adams said the prospect is frightening.
This decision has made every single one of us less safe.
The court's decision will allow essentially anyone who passes a basic background check to carry a concealed handgun in public, even in a densely populated city like New York.
Anger can turn into violence. We see it all the time. We're a densely populated city. Millions of people use our transportation system. Traffic accidents can escalate into gunfights. That's not what we want.
In its landmark decision, the Supreme Court voted 6-3 to overturn New York's sharp restrictions on concealed firearms. Justice Clarence Thomas, writing for the court's conservative majority, said the Constitution leaves no room for doubt. The framers made a clear choice, he wrote. They reserve to all Americans the right to bear arms for self-defense, which, he added, is not a second-class right.
This decision isn't just reckless, it's reprehensible. It's not what New Yorkers want. And we should have the right of determination of what we want to do in terms of our gun laws in our state.
New York's law places sharp restrictions on who can carry handguns outside the home. Fewer than 4,000 permits are granted in New York City every year. That will change. And in its ruling, the court did grant exceptions to what it called sensitive places, where carrying guns could be restricted, but offered no specifics. Some experts say sports arenas, the subway system, or Times Square might qualify. Tonight, gun rights advocates are declaring victory. New Yorkers will soon be able to defend themselves outside of their home, said an NRA spokesman, without first having to prove that they have a sufficient need to exercise their fundamental rights. But critics say the timing could hardly be worse as the city struggles against an onslaught of gun violence.
We don't need more guns on our streets. We're already dealing with a major gun violence crisis.
NYPD Commissioner Keishan Sewell was adamant today in pointing out that it does not take effect immediately. It will take presumably many months before the lower courts actually sort out the details, but the essential ruling from the Supreme Court will not change.